The Pathfinder has a long history of being able to go where others can't. But with this current generation model, some Pathfinder faithful feel as though Nissan has left its trail days in the past. Well, starting this spring, the 2019 Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition aims to recapture some of that muddy glory. Available on the mid-trim SV and SL grades in either front or all-wheel drive, this option package includes unique 18-inch wheels wrapped in all-season tires, a plethora of black exterior accents, two-tone seating surfaces, and metallic interior trim. Available in 7 exterior colors, every Rock Creek Edition also features a standard trailer tow hitch and harness capable of pulling 6,000 pounds and splash guards. Package pricing is set at $995. All 2019 Pathfinder models are equipped with a 284 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 and Xtronic CVT transmission, returning 22 mpg in mixed driving for a 4-wheel drive model. Torque is rated at 259 pound-feet. Rock Creek Edition pricing starts at $36,260, including destination. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.